Hello, my name is Max Moreland, and in this video, I will be going over the measurement tool that is now available on our cloud application. The measurement tool is a feature that allows the user to place a line or a polygon on the map like any normal data feature. This will then display the length of the line or the perimeter and area of the drawn polygon. So, now that I am in our cloud application, I'm going to select the ruler button in the left corner. From here, I will place 2 points on the map to measure the area of this runway. I'm going to select my first point, scroll down, and select my second point. I'm going to then select my second point again, and PointMan will now show me the calculated distance of this runway. As we can see, it is around 10,000 feet. Next, I'm going to draw a polygon. I'm going to select the ruler button again, and from here, I'm going to find the area that is around our home office in Grand Junction. So I'm going to select 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, and I'm going to close my polygon. From here, PointMan will not only give you the perimeter of the polygon, but also the calculated area within. And one thing of note is that the system will format to whichever unit of measurement you have selected in your settings. I have chosen imperial for this, but metric also works. Now I'm going to hit the X button, and that will clear my feature off the map for both systems. One thing of note when hitting the X button is that these are not saved into the system. They are merely for visual data and understanding while being over the map. They will not be saved in your system or database and can be added and taken away at any time. Thank you and have a great day.
To learn more about PointMan, visit pointman.com. And don't worry, dig happy.